Hi everybody, welcome to Lulu La Vida. Today I'm leaving you a very simple recipe for cranberry sauce. Here are the ingredients: 2 bags of 12-ounce cranberries, fresh cranberries. And in a pot, we're going to go ahead and add half a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and we're going to get 1 cup of water. We're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then we're going to add some cinnamon if you have the cinnamon sticks or the ground cinnamon. I do it for decoration. I prefer ground, that way I don't have to remove it. And then we get the zest of an orange. We don't do the white part because we don't want it to be bitter, but then we cut the orange in slices. We squeeze out the orange juice. We incorporate the orange slices into the pot, and we cook it for in a medium heat for 10 minutes. Here's 6 minutes so far. So you see it's looking, it smells delicious with the citrus and the sugar and the cinnamon, and this is our results. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and hope to see you next time at Lulu La Vida.